It's photo shoot day. Come get ready with me. Hi, I'm Delandis and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because I have a photo shoot for my European Burlesque Heels tour. And yeah, I am getting ready here to do my makeup and I'm doing the get ready with me. So this is just going to be kind of maybe me kind of shooting the breeze with you guys really quick. I'm always running late on my makeup, so I'm going to be doing this really quickly. So just hang out with me, chill out while I get ready for this photo shoot. This is actually the first time that I've done my own makeup for a photo shoot. So I'm a little nervous. I know it's going to be wonderful, but you just, you know how you get. But anyways, yeah, so hang out, stick around, have some fun with me. And I think I'm gonna create a smoky eye, just easy. Smoky eye is more cabaret-y. The costume looks amazing. I had a great designer design this for me and it looks great. So I'm just kind of, doing a red lip, piercing red lip, more cabaret. Maybe I'll do a top hat today as well. We'll see. Going in with here is my transition color here, which I'm using the James Charles palette. I always like a good smoky eye. I think it's very sultry and sexy. A lot of people say it's intimidating. I don't know, maybe it's intimidating on a girl, but I love a smoky eye on a guy. So hey, let's smoke it out today. The cool thing today is I'm working with a new photographer and I love his work, and he's also a dancer, so he understands the dancer's body, especially when you're doing a photo shoot. So I love photographers who understands the dancer body. And my designer for my costume is Evan Kent. I met him through a friend as well, and I wanted something a little classy, like I said, but a little fun, a little sexy. I'm building this smoky eye just a little different today from what I normally do, because I'm going to try to see if it'll make much easier for a transition if I go ahead and start building it here. As always, it looks crazy first and then you start to beautify that baby. My saying is always, if it don't look a mess at first, you ain't doing it right. What is there to talk about? Oh, the fact that I had to get up early this morning and shave everything. That's the one thing about being a guy transitioning into a more of a feminine character, is that it takes so much time to prep. Shaving. I would say, ladies, you have it easy, but you guys are gonna kill me if I say that, because on a daily basis you have to be a woman, and I know it's tough being a woman. Well, I can imagine it's tough being a woman, so. But when we're getting into the gig, trying to look as beautiful as you do, it's tough. It's tough. Well, not for all. It's fun. It's fun. I wouldn't change it. It's fun. Okay, so let's go. I'm moving, Delandis. We gotta do this quick today. So I'm using this new MAC, this black track. Usually I use e.l.f., but I think this is gonna be a little better for me. All these brushes, gotta have a nice good selection, right? Yes, come on, smoky eye, come on. All right, let's see, moving right along. Let's go ahead and start. I think we can go ahead and start that foundation because I'll come back to those eyes. All right, let's throw some mascara on here. I'm doing some huge dramatic lashes today. You know you're doing drag or transforming when you're using 301 lashes that drag queens use, and I'm also doubling those things up, so I'm stacking them. And I'm gonna be in this makeup for a while today because I'm not only am I shooting, having the photo shoot, I'm actually doing video work too, so I'm going into the film studio and I'm doing some work today as well. So this is going to have to last me all day. Oh, shucks. All right, because I'm rushing, I forgot something that I normally do, so I'm gonna take this off my face. And y'all know I always cover this beard. I was doing this makeup and I was like, wait a minute, I think I'm missing something. And then as soon as I started applying this dang on foundation, guess what? I'm like, maybe I need to color correct a little bit. So let's go back. All right, let's go back. I was like, I know I'm moving pretty quickly. But that lets you know that I'm really rushing trying to get this thing done. But I've got to color correct before I do anything else, because I don't want anything showing through this foundation. So I'm going to moisturize my face again on this side and prime. Then I'm going to do all that, yes. And usually I like to do that before I do my eyes, so, but it's okay today. It's okay. We make mistakes, but we just go back and we fix them, right? No biggie. All right, so let me go back in and prime this side of my face and let's color correct this beard. Let's get the orange look going on. All right, how am I doing on time? Okay, I got about a good, I would say, hour. I think I could do it. What do you think? So again, first photo shoot or professional outside of me doing shots for myself, but first professional photo shoot with me doing my own makeup. So it's a lot of pressure, but I think we can do it. Definitely think we can do it. Oh, I know we can do it. There we go. Now that looks more like Delandis. I was like, I'm missing something. Gotta color correct that skin. Just for beard purposes, because the skin is flawless. But it's so interesting because under these lights, you see everything. It's like, oh, okay, I look so much better outside of these lights. But you know, you see everything in these lights, so you ain't hiding. Once you get into these ring lights and these studio lights, these box lights and stuff like that, you see every imperfection. And the perfect skin that you thought you had is no longer so perfect. Well, kinda, but you know, because most people on a daily basis don't see you under lights like this. Right? Let it kind of set in for a minute, and then I'm going to go in with that foundation. So we wait. Okay, while we were letting that set in, I had to take a little bathroom break. I was holding it because I didn't want to interrupt my process. And yes, I did wash my hands. Let's talk about that for a moment. Guys, I see a lot of this going on when you go into the restroom and you use the restroom and you don't come out and wash your hands. It's a little nasty. Please, 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 please wash your hands. If you're not one of these people that wash your hands, please get into the habit of doing that. It's just not kind. All right. So now we're going in with our NARS foundation. And normally, again, I let it set a little longer, but because I don't have time to do that today, I forgot this step earlier. We gotta move on. We gotta push on, because time will not allow. I was actually gonna try another foundation today. I think I'll do a separate video on that, but I did not want to try something that I have not tried before for a photo shoot. It's not smart to do something like that, especially when you don't know the product and how it's going to react. Foundation is done. Let's go ahead and start concealing my flaws. Concealing my flaws. Concealing myself. Concealing myself. Concealing? That Nicki Minaj, right? I'm singing. Concealing myself. Instead of feeling, I'm concealing. I always like this part. Now I'm building the mask. I'm building my mask. I just realized that I am super hungry and I ate like a banana this morning because on my shoot days I typically don't eat. I don't like to eat on my shoot days, especially when I'm getting into these tight little costumes with everything showing. When I said set my eyes, I didn't mean go inside my eyes. All right, this is the part that everyone has to be quiet, okay? No talking. Yes, ain't that contour magic? Yes, we did this. We did that. That contour is magic. All right, so I am going to get rid of this bake, this excess powder that's going on here. All right, so let me go ahead and cut this jawline. And y'all know I love this part too. Every step I love. Makeup's so fun. Transform that face to make you something different. It's definitely art. They should teach this in art class. They should teach makeup in art class. What do you think, guys? Not like in a cosmetology class or anything, but they should teach makeup in art class. It should be required for you as an art teacher to be able to do makeup. Right. Or bring someone to come in, you know, a specialist to come in to teach it. That'd be fun. Bring someone new that, you know, to come in to teach an art class from makeup. And make the boys do it too. Should be a requirement. Hey, you never know when you may have to do your girlfriend's makeup because she broke her arm or something. There you go, now you know how to do it. While we're sitting here doing this, let's talk about my Instagram, guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, please go and follow me on Instagram. It's fun over there. I have some dance stuff going on. What else? What else is going over there on Instagram? And my Instagram is @Delandis. Yeah, go on over and have some fun. Have a good old time. Especially when I go to Europe, I'm going to be, I got a little overzealous right there. Especially when I go to Europe, I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff on the Instagram. So I won't be able to do as much YouTube stuff, you know, because I'm going to be gone there for a couple of weeks. So most everything is going to be done over there. So if you're not following me, come on over. So yes, guys, I am going to go off camera to finish this baby up. I'm going to do the eyes, put on these dramatic lashes. I don't know exactly what I'm doing with the under eye lashes, if I'm going to do those, and set this face down, lips, all that stuff, because I am rushing and I am going to come back with the final look. Okay? I hope you like it. And here you go, guys, the final look. What do you think? If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel and press that bell notification so that you may get any notifications for videos that I may upload. And as always, I love you guys being here. I will see you on set. Bye.